Good morning. Steve Freed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight, soybean futures opened up around the 11.14 area, but has rallied now back to 11.34. Corn started at 4.28 and is now at 4.31, about unchanged from Friday. On the December, March is at 4.45, up a penny. Wheat, March Chicago wheat's up 5 cents, while Kansas City's up 3. Stock market's a little bit higher, dollar's a little bit higher, crude's a little bit lower, and gold is also a little bit lower. So after the dust settled on Friday's USDA report, there was feelings, number one, that the corn and wheat numbers were negative, and that beans were pretty much neutral. South American weather remains favorable for crops, which offers long-term resistance to prices. We did see that the USDA put out daily export sales numbers since October 1st, and we saw where the Chinese has only bought 332,000 tons of U.S. beans. Mexico bought 2.6 million tons of U.S. beans, while Mexico bought 1.2 million tons of U.S. corn, and there's about 975,000 tons in the unknown. The private sector is looking at corn carryout for this campaign closer to 2.4 billion bushels rather than 2.1 due to lower demand. And the beans are looking for something closer to 480 versus the USDA's 290. All of that mostly is because of lower exports. And for the wheat, something around 880 versus the government's 901 due to a little bit higher export number. For the 26-27 campaign, some people look for a big swing in acres. Corn, 92 million acres versus 98.7 this year. Beans, almost 87.5 million acres versus 81. Wheat acres are down to 44.5 million acres. So all of this suggests higher soybean carryout and maybe lower corn and lower wheat carryout. So now we'll be trading, hopefully, new USDA export data and CFTC data. Outside markets about steady to unchanged in most markets as we await the Fed decision in December, Supreme Court decision on Trump tariffs, and anything new out of Washington.